Ethereum is not just digital money. At its core, ETH tracks account numbers. It moves numbers from one account to another. For that task, Ethereum is over-engineered. Other chains do that cheaper and faster. So why value Ethereum so highly? Because Ethereum does more than move tokens. It runs programs on the blockchain. Those programs are called smart contracts. Smart contracts can process any data you give. They can hold logic and money together. That unlocks lots of new use cases. You can build lending apps and games. You can create automatic markets and auctions. These things need more than simple transfers. They need rules that execute on demand. That is where Ethereum shines today. Another big reason is network effect. Many smart contracts already live on Ethereum. They can interact with each other easily. That creates a shared toolbox for builders. One contract's output feeds another contract's input. This composability speeds up new product creation. Let me give a concrete example. DAI is a stablecoin on Ethereum. It tries to keep one DAI equal to $1. A complex smart contract issues DAI automatically. DAI is not built into Ethereum's core, but any contract on Ethereum can use it. Imagine writing a betting contract for next year. If bets use Ether, value could swing wildly. One Ether today might be very different later. That makes bets hard to price fairly. Now accept DAI instead of Ether for bets. People can bet in dollars, not volatile crypto. That reduces worry about price swings. It also widens the user base for the contract. All of this flows because DAI exists on Ethereum. DAI itself increases Ethereum's usefulness. More use means more value for everyone. This is separate from Ethereum's base protocol. It's an ecosystem effect, plain and simple. Yes, other chains aim for efficiency. They may move tokens cheaper and faster, but they often lack a big app network. That makes integration harder for builders. Developers like using tools that already exist. A ready-made stablecoin is a big tool, so value sticks to the platform hosting it. Ethereum's value is partly social proof. People trust its apps and liquidity pools. Trust brings capital and more developers. That creates a self-reinforcing cycle. So yes, ETH token handles simple accounting, but Ethereum's real power is programmable money. Smart contracts, composability, and network size matter. DAI shows how independent apps add value. That value can make the whole platform worth more. When you choose a blockchain, know the trade-offs. Efficiency matters, but so do composable apps. Ethereum pays a premium for that composability. That's why projects still flock to it today. And that's why tokens like DAI matter. They turn abstract code into real dollar use, which makes the platform more useful every day. Look at DeFi and decentralized exchanges. They rely on composable contracts to move funds. Liquidity pools let traders swap without a central bank.